friends, we're back with the reading of the Medium's book, a book written by ALLAN KARDEC and by the spirits. And today we are in the second part of the book, chapter 12. We will answer the following questions. What are the ways of perceiving the sounds of spirits, perceiving the spirit sounds? We're going to check this out. It often happens that when we are asleep, we hear words, names, sometimes entire phrases, pronounced with sufficient force and distinctness to waken us with a start. Although, in some cases, this may be a spirit manifestation, it is often attributable to the cause of which we treated in our remarks on hallucination. Check chapter 6 of the book and chapter 3 and sequel. Well, that is the chapter 9 actually. That is thus heard. What is thus heard has usually no coherence, thus differing widely from spirit utterances heard when we are awake. For in such cases, we can usually exchange thoughts with the speaker and enter into regular conversation with him. There are two very distinct ways in which spirit sounds are perceived. They are sometimes heard by a sort of interior hearing, in which case, although the words heard are clear and distinct, they are not of a physical nature. At other times, though, these voices are perceived as something exterior to ourselves and appear to be as distinctly articulated as those spoken by a person at our side. However produced, the phenomena of pneumatophony is almost always spontaneous and can rarely be obtained by evocation. On a note, they say spirit voices are now often distinctly audible to an entire circle. And indirect psychography is our next subject for our next video. We are going to finish here the reading today. If you enjoyed this reading, give our video a like. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments, because your question could be ours or our friends' questions too. If you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, subscribe and press the bell to receive notifications. We also have a channel on Instagram and Facebook. Share content with people who have the same interests as you. Our best wishes for peace. God bless you all. Big kiss. Bye-bye.